Recording in progress.
Morning. Alright, markup's already done. Start with pounds yen. Still got this gap here that needs to be filled. Let me just put on line. At some point, pound yen's got to come through here and close this gap. Even if it's bullish and retraces, I think it will most likely happen this week. But definitely anticipating getting to at least 197.60 at some point this week. Today we're bearish. Pound yen is bearish. It's pushed down from the daily opens. We've got a small top wick and we're pushing down. So we could fill this gap today. 4 hours bullish and disrespecting this 4 hour support from yesterday. 1 hour just opens pushing up. But we do have quite a big range at the moment. We've got these resistance at the highs that was respected yesterday. Did try to take some buys above here, but this resistance is too strong. You can see it's holding. So potentially we could push up to this resistance again. If not, looking to form a lower high and then keep pulling back. Seems like this area is quite strong. Remember, price yesterday kept hitting at 199 and then dropping. So we'll look out for the retest today. Look, so we've got the higher time frame supports, 198.20. It's the 4 hour support here. We just looked at. 4 hour resistance is also here. So we've got quite a tight 4 hour range. And then we've got this massive range on the 30 minutes. So it's like a 100 pip range. We've already pushed up halfway. So just got to wait for some more information for anything on pound yen. If we were anticipating that price would retest its resistance, then we'd be looking at probably entries a bit lower than now. Would have been a bit earlier. And after this support had formed, maybe this 630 candle to push up. But like I said, price is quite bearish at the moment. High time frames are conflicting. Got the dailies bearish and the 4 hours bullish. So where did the 4 hour open? 4 hour open down here. So this 4 hour flips bearish in the next 2 hours. Then yeah, could be looking at some. I'm gonna put this 4 hour in. Oh, I used to have a 4 hour. Used to have a little 4 hour template. I'm gonna put where the 4 hour open so that when it flips, you can tell if the daily and 4 hour are both aligned. So yeah, most likely waiting for the sells on pound yen, especially to fill this gap. Goldie. Gold pushed up during Asia. Let's put where this daily candle opened. Put it over here. Yeah, it's over there. Okay, daily's broken yesterday's high, previous high, Friday's high. Pushed up right into this 4 hour resistance. The daily resistance been broken, but this 4 hour resistance, we're hovering here now. We already rejected it. Well, it wasn't a massive rejection, but we've tapped it during Asian. Now we've got a 30-minute support at 27.49. And then a resistance at 27.57. We can break above this resistance. What's the price at all-time highs? All-time highs are 27.58.52. So if we get to 27.59, we've made a new high today, which we're 30 pips away from. So let's see how this resistance holds or reacts to price. If we can get a break. We do have USD news later, consumer confidence and jolts, job openings, but that's not until quite late in the day for the London session. 3 o'clock, no 2 o'clock because of the time change. It's usually at 3. But for 2 weeks, USD news is going to be an hour earlier until their clocks change. So at the moment, it's going to see how gold plays this range. Could range until the breakout. But we're just going to have to wait for some volume to come in. But we do have a higher time frame support, which is down here. It's a 4 hour support. 27.19. And we do have a higher support around here, 27.32. So we can get a pullback. See how gold reacts to those prices. If not, we're waiting at these resistances. If we do get a sell-off today from news, not a massive sell-off, but pullback, I believe it will happen possibly after gold has made a high. So we're looking for a resistance to form and then drop down from there. That's what I'm anticipating anyway. And that's the analysis for today and what I'm looking for. So now it's just a waiting game. If we get a sell from this resistance, I want to see a resistance formed here, like a new resistance, and I can start looking for some sells. But the daily and 4 hour are bullish, so I have to bear in mind high time frames are against me at the moment. Now we wait. Gold seems to be respecting this resistance. Pound yen still pushing up. We do have a minor resistance here. Let's see how pound yen reacts here. Alright, pound yen, what do you want to do here? think we might get some sales on pound yen today, to be fair. To be honest. Because we were really respecting this resistance here. So I think we're pulling back, we're creating a bit of a range to come down. I really want to see this gap filled. Dun, dun, dun. If we get a closure above this resistance, I'm still not looking for the buys up. Because we still have this downtrend structure. If I get a nice closure above, if I get a closure above 198, then I'll be looking for buys to break yesterday's highs and then continue up. Because above here, then daily's bullish, 4 hour most likely be bullish. So that's where I would be looking. But no buys just yet. The better buys would have been from lower, like earlier. Let's see what gold is doing. Still kind of holding at this resistance. Do have this support here. How big is this range? 80 pip range. Okay, looks like this resistance might be holding for pound yen. Could get a potential entry on the next 30-minute candle. What I would expect to see, or what I'm anticipating, is get a pullback Then the next candle breaks this candle's low, 7 a.m. candle's low, whilst forming a resistance. And then we continue this drop down to support. Because then the daily is bearish, 4 hour will be flipping bearish. So keep an eye out. See how this 15-minute candle closes. Pound yen still pushing up a little bit. Just a waiting game. pound yen pushing. Let's see if this daily flips bullish. We could be looking at buys. I'm 10 pips away. So we do have these rejection wicks and no top wick for this candle. So we could push up, make a top wick for this candle, reject. Because don't forget, we are pushing up from a 4 hour support, 198.20 right here. Oh, very close to these all-time highs. 40 pips away. Yeah, I think pound yen might be more bullish today. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, gold pushing down a bit. M15's making lower highs. Could have been a nice trade, but I don't really like the 15-minute for gold anyway. It fakes me out too much. But let's see how we play this range. If we can come back down, retest this support. I know Benny likes a 15-minute entry. I bet you thought about it. The sales do look good. Does look like this resistance is holding. Did actually end up catching pound yen buys yesterday. Sorry, catching a cold. Caught some buys. It was quite later on in the afternoon. I think it was around here. Yeah. Up here, 50 pips up to this resistance again. I was holding. Price was bouncing around, but I thought, you know what, this level's really sticking. I kept seeing it bounce, just the same numbers over and over again. So yeah, let me just close. It's a good thing I did. It's a really strong resistance. Kept tapping 199. It just, yeah, wasn't trying to break up. So I think if we get a closure above today or another retest, then I do believe it will break and push up. 7:30. Kind of got a closure above this resistance. See if we can break this high. Daily flip bullish. Would like a bit of a bottom wick. See what pound yen does. If we get a nice bottom wick, possibly retest this resistance. If it doesn't, but re-breaks this high. Once we flip the daily bullish, price should continue up. Then we'll see what it does at this resistance. See gold. Gold looks like it's still trying to push down in this range. it's just, I don't really like this range on gold. If you've got a high, a low, then a lower high, then a higher low, then a higher high, like it's, it's just not nice. Alright, it's at the bottom wick. Gold looks like it's about to break this low. Not really much volume at the moment. Yeah, I don't know about gold. It's only been 6 minutes into this candle opened anyway. But yeah, no trades inside this range, honestly. Yeah, definitely need more information. Like sell from a bit higher up, sort of 30 pips into this range. Yeah, nah. I don't want to force anything there. I want to see if pound yen retests this resistance, this broken res, and then flips to push back up, or if it's creating a lower high to continue pushing down. That could have been the pullback, or just the bottom wick for this candle. Looks like gold might push down in this range. Definitely want to see what gold does though. Pound yen reflipping bullish. If this candle closes weak, bearish, I'm definitely taking an entry. I'm taking buys on the next candle. 8 o'clock candle. Especially if the bottom wick stays right here. Entry on the next candle, stop loss below this previous candle or just below this resistance. And then continue buying back up. Oh, pound yen's gonna make us wait for it. And then knowing gold, it was just dropping like the last 10 minutes of the 30-minute candle. Now the reason I'll take buyers here for pound yen is because once I'm in those buys, the daily should flip bullish. And then the higher time frames are with me. The daily's bullish, the 4 hours bullish. So it should give my trade a higher probability. Damn, pushed up too quick. Should have had a buy stop, especially since we had a nice bottom wick. Okay, buy then pound yen. 14 pip stop loss. That's it, make a top wick for this candle right here. And then push up. If it pulls back to the break of the higher, yeah, once this candle re-breaks the high, I'm gonna get in. About 74. $15 pip stop loss. So it hasn't hit 74 yet. Once it re-breaks the high, then we'll be in. I'll be in. Yeah, that's why I like to wait on gold. I'm glad I waited for gold. I'm very glad I waited. But in pound yen, it rebroke the high. 15 pip stop loss. Daily should flip bullish. Keep pushing up. So overall, we are bullish on pound yen. We didn't come down to yesterday's low. We respected it, formed the support. Actually pushed up from a 4-hour support. So let's see if we can retest the resistance at the highs of the week. 15-minute bottom wick. So 15 minutes still respecting the previous lows. It's trending up. I'd manage risk right at this resistance. That's when I'll start to close partials and then leave a runner going up. Give my stop loss to break even. Okay, gold broke the low. Yeah, still not interested in gold in this range. Let's see how pound yen reacts to this area here. We do have these wicks to the left. Just hovering around this daily flip area. Less than 7 minutes till the candle closes. Wonder if gold's gonna push down in this last 5 minutes. This candle. Pound yen doesn't want to flip bullish on the daily. Just bouncing around. I knew gold was going to drop in like the last 5 minutes. Yeah, it's not really feeling this range to trade for gold though. Alright, with 2 lots of news today, I'm not surprised it's ranging. We had a nice move during NY range, a nice move during Asian session. We pushed up. How big is this push? 150 pip push during Asian session. Cool, it died down, range during London, and then when we have news later during NY, it'll bring the volume. You're in gold sales. I knew you would be. You like them 15-minute entries. Yeah, it's just not for me. Don't really like these wicks at all. Nah. And I don't really want to take a trade in the middle of this range. Yeah, nah. Oh, pound yen. Looks like we're going to get that bullish continuation pattern. If we break the high of the previous candle, our entry candle, it should continue to push up. All right, we're breaking the high. So if this area I'm not a fan of right here. This rejection area, I think price will stall around here a bit. Go on, pound yen, get to at least 10 pips. Oh. That's it, we're at 10 pips. Get TP1 is at this resistance. If we can get past this rejection area, beautiful push. Earlier I did say I wouldn't mind if this candle closed weak bearish. That's exactly what happened. No, I'm gonna close some at 10 pips. Just because of these rejection wicks to the left. Look at that pullback. Waiting for price to push back up. Let's see what gold's doing. still filling this range. Yeah, this wasn't for me. Look at this. Yeah, no thanks. Thanks, but no thanks. Congrats if you managed to secure some of this pound yen push. How far did it go? Got up to, where are we? 74. 14 pips. I've marked out this area because of these rejections to the left. So you can see price did react to this area here. And that's where I decided that I was going to take some money off the table. Manage risk there. But TP1 was this resistance, 20 pips away. 19894 area. Go on, keep pushing. All right, we've cleared the wicks to the left. At this point, move the stop loss to break even because we did secure some. So now we don't want the runner to hit stop loss and take some of the profits. Risk-free trade now. Just gonna let the runner run. Appreciate it. If we take a loss, we manage the risk. If we take a win, you know what I mean? We get our profits each and every time. Daily bullish, 4 hours bullish. If we can get to yesterday's high, 199.30, I think we'll break above. Pound yen looks very bullish at the moment. Let's see how gold reacts to this resistance. TP1. It could pull back from here like it did yesterday many times. Benny, you still in your sells for gold? Lovely, lovely. Yeah, the sells, it just wasn't it for me, but I saw the potential. I saw the potential for the sells on gold. Spoke about it, but I just don't really like this range. Just not a fan of this range. Where would your TP be at this support? Yeah, the support. Makes sense? Excellent. Pound yen, you're going to break this resistance. I really thought we might break all-time highs today with gold during London session, but guess it weren't in the cards. Could be waiting for the news later, or this could be a sign that we're not going to break it with news later. But it's that late afternoon news, even though it's an hour earlier today, 10 a.m. NY. Looks like this resistance is holding again for pound yen. Or could be 15-minute bottom wick. Oh, stomach's talking. Might get off, actually. I don't think there's any trades coming just yet. If anything, just build on this pound yen one. If we break above this resistance, if I get a closure above this resistance, then I might look at another entry. Yeah, I'll be thinking about another entry, adding another position up to 199.30. I wonder if gold will break this support and then keep pulling back. Yeah, let's see how this candle closes. This would have been stop loss. Probably previous high, to be fair. 35 pips. They moved it down to 18. TP. Close partials here. At the first support. TP 44 pips. Wouldn't have been a bad trade. I'm glad someone in the chat took it. I'll be back in 2 seconds. Oh, might get this gold closure below low. Okay, Goldie. I'm here for it. I would definitely like sells back down 100 per. Let's see how this pound yen's doing. Yeah, still moving and shaking. Yeah, if gold closes below this support, then I'm getting in sells. I'm gonna wait for the top wick, or if it retests this support, like with the top wick, boom. 3 minutes. I don't want it to drop too much though, so gold, just wait for me, okay? Thank you. Appreciate it. Pound yen might break above this high too. Close above this resistance. There's a lot going on now. Okay, gold, just wait a bit, okay? Just a little bit. That's good. Give me some range. Give me a bit of wick. Closure below. 2 minutes. I'm gonna wait for a top wick, and then we'll get an entry. Right below this 8 o'clock candle. Let's see how this candle closes. If it doesn't close below this support, then I'm going to delete the sell stop. We need that closure below. Yeah, I'm glad you closed your, well, you hit TP, right? You was aiming for that support. And look how gold's pulling up. Yeah, if we don't get this closure below. In 8 seconds, which we're not, then bye-bye sell stop. Oh yeah. Okay, pound yen. Yeah, gold, nah. Ooh, pound yen's gonna fly to TP. No bottom wick on this 8:30 candle though. Okay, there we go. But we did get this closure above, which we haven't been able to do on a 30-minute time frame since yesterday. So that's good. Give you a bottom wick. Reflip. I would have liked another entry, I'm not gonna lie. It made that bottom wick, retested that broken resistance, but it kind of broke the high too quick for me to get in again. But if you heard what I was saying earlier about getting that closure above and then adding another position, if you manage to do so, then perfect. It's a very nice setup, break and retest, and keep pushing up. TP is not far away. Look at gold. Back in the range. Yeah, I ain't playing with gold this morning. I'm not playing with gold this morning. Pound yen is looking very good though. We're clearing the wicks to the left. And then gonna give us more of a push. Go on, do it because you want to. Let's get to TP, we're not far away. 20 more pips. Clean range to the left. We've cleared the wicks. Not far to go to TP. Hopefully we can get there before 9 o'clock and close this trade off before the stream ends. That would be lovely. Let's get to it. $15 pips away. Yeah, we're definitely going to hit TP today. How could we not? I think I might actually not even close full at TP. Just let it run, move my stop loss up. Because I think if we break yesterday's high, and yeah, we got further to go. This was so textbook. especially if you caught this second entry. If you got it, great. But this second entry would have been perfect. Closure above, retest this resistance, clean range to the left. Gorgeous. I didn't think we'd hit TP this quick, to be fair. I'm 5 pips away from TP. Meanwhile, gold's doing that. On 5 pips. Yeah, next 15-minute candle should make a bottom wick and continue pushing. Even though we had this bearish 15-minute candle, it still respected the previous low and continued pushing up. So candle's very strongly trending upwards. Even the bearish ones. Yeah, 15-minute bottom wick. Flip bullish. Fill the previous, break the high. I'm so high, so close, so close. Just need this 15 minutes to flip bullish and push. Go get some breakfast. Workout. Get back to the charts for NY session, which is now an hour earlier. For the next 2 weeks. Fun times. Either way, I think I'm gonna get off at 9, 15 minutes or 13 minutes. Then just let this trade run. You guys know what I'm gonna do. You know the plan. Check on gold. Okay, gold's forming support. Breaking above the previous high. But look, it's kind of creating a wedge on the 15. Higher lows, lower highs. Yeah, no thanks. Just need the 15 fit bullish, which it is. Fill this wick to the left and push. I like this beat. To the left and push. Fill the wick to the left and push. candle closing in less than 10 minutes, less than 9 minutes. But we are definitely going to update the stream record and call that a dub. Because it was, where is the, oh, there it goes, 15. Let's get it. I don't really do break-even trades because I don't believe in moving my stop loss to break even until I've closed some partials. Because what's the point? If anything, reduce the risk, yes. %100% believe in that. There's 3 things I do every time I enter a trade. Look for what makes my trade invalid. Look for the area where I want to close partials. And look for where I want to take full profits or close the trade. Best 3 things to do. Straight away, every time. If this 15 doesn't fill this top wick, then the next might. As long as it respects this 15-minute low, like the rest of these candles have been doing, since this bullish candle here, look, they've all respected the previous lows. All of them. For breakfast, eggs. It's always eggs. Something with eggs. An omelette. Could have like sausages, or bacon, or just vegetables. Whatever's in the fridge. But usually eggs. I've got a banana downstairs actually, so I might could make some banana pancakes with 1 egg. That might be a plan. Banana omelets. Banana pancakes, sorry, if the banana's still there. I hope it's still there. Five minutes till I find out. It is nice. Okay, 15-minute didn't want to fill the top wick, fill the previous wick. Let's see what kind of top wick this candle closes with. So close to TP. We got what, 4 pips away? Alright, Pam Jam. Play with my money now. Let's go. Let's see if we get this bottom wick and push up. But if this 15-minute breaks this low, this 15-minute low, I'm getting out. So here, 098. Price drops below 098, I'm out. Because the 15 minutes before I've been respecting the previous lows. Yeah, now I'm going on with gold. Alright, closing here because this 15 is breaking the previous low and now it's respecting previous highs. So I'm gonna be out of this trade and I'll be back tomorrow. But W's in the chat because we caught a nice win on pound yen. We caught a very nice win on pound yen, so good job guys.